Hello, welcome to Ahura, your AI learning companion and personalized platform for your professional growth. Maybe you are here because you want to study new skills, you want a promotion, to improve your performance at work, or to switch careers. I will show you how to use Ahura to help you make your dream come true and study without having to quit your job. The first page on your dashboard will help you get started. As you click through the slides, these 5 cards, you can understand how Ahura works. First, to learn with Ahura, you click Start Session, and you choose a topic to learn. You can choose relevant topics on Ahura or anywhere on the web. If you already love learning on YouTube, Coursera, or anywhere online, amazing! Ahura follows you, and we are your learning companion to guide you to better results. We provide feedback and nudges to guide you through your journey. What if I told you that you can learn 5 times faster than you do today? Many of us are not aware of our behaviors that reduce the quality of our learning. As your personal teacher and companion going forward, Ahura analyzes your emotional state, behaviors, and your web browsing activities. Over time, our platform understands how you learn better and provides you reports and tips on how to learn faster. When you click Start Session, you can choose a topic you want to learn. For example, I would choose finance, and you can click Select. A pop-up window will open. This is where you can observe your Ahura extension at play. As you can see, Ahura tracks the topic, the study duration, the topic that you've chosen to learn, and the pages visited. Ahura also tracks your emotional states and your behaviors. See, this is how the platform works. Once that's set, you can go back to your browser and start studying. Search for any website or videos related to your chosen topic. Here, for example, I can choose to read about finance on Wikipedia. Or I can choose to study finance on YouTube. When you're done studying, you can click Stop Session. And just like that, in a few seconds, you have a detailed report. Here, you learn the percentage of time you are productive, how much you're neutral, and how much you're distracted. You can also review how long you studied and the pages you visited during your study. And here you can see an emotional tracker. I was neutral 50% of the session. Back to our dashboard. Here you can find a summary of my learning, searching, distracted by topic. Back to the dashboard, the report session will show you a summary of your learning behavior and the breakdown of learning time by topic. Here you can see the percentages. On this section, you can find a summary. On the tab Sessions, you can review your performance during past sessions. On the tab Courses, you can find all the courses available on the Ahura platform. And on the Network session, you can connect to people in your network, which could be your coworkers or friend groups. The Account tab allows you to find information on your Ahura account, such as type of license. This is just the beginning of how Ahura helps you improve your learning outcomes. As we rapidly improve the Ahura experience over time, you benefit from more features and realize your professional dreams even faster. Thank you for watching.